I decided to do something a little bit crazy, a little bit out there. But you know what? In the long run, I think it is going to be of really great use to me. I have been seeing so many companies, Wet n Wild, Jeffree Star, everybody coming out with these black highlighters. Now, I know Jeffree's had his out for a little while. So you know what I figured? I was like, well, me being broke, I made my own. So this is a DIY, and we are going to try this out. Now, I know it's not going to look good on me right now because of my skin color, but I think it would really come in handy for like a really good eyeshadow or for Halloween looks. So if you want to find out how I do it and what it looks like on me, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now, before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy, and welcome to the video. All right, guys, you've seen the thumbnail, you heard the intro. I made my own black highlighter. Now, this is a loose powder because I couldn't find my alcohol. Wet n Wild has got a black one. I know Jeffree Star's had one out for quite a while. And you know what? Me being a broke, pardon my French. And again, this is a loose powdered highlighter, so it's going to be quite pigmented, Hey, Riff. I've got a clip of kind of how I made this. Now, I started off with a black shadow from Ofra. I think it is Exquisite is the name of it, but it wasn't that pigmented as an eyeshadow. I mean, if you've seen some of my videos, in one video I tried to get it to work, and it was just, sorry, Ofra, but it was absolute shit. So I decided to break it down, and I added some more loose pigment highlighters to it to give it the kind of sheen that I wanted. It was a satin shade. Then, of course, I took the Profusion loose powdered highlighter. Now, I have all the names and everything on the screen for you. I'll show you the clip of how I did it. All right, guys, sorry if you hear scratching in the background. All right, this is going to be what we start out with. Now, this is a black eyeshadow that I received from Ofra in one of my Ipsy bags, and it is in shade Exquisite. This is not quite as pigmented as I wanted it to be on my eyes. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it. That's what we are going to be using to actually make the highlighter. So I am actually going to break that whole eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting it in this little tin. Now, in this little tin, there is already a broken highlighter in there. Now, it was in LA Colors, and it is a frosty white. I did want a little bit of the frosty white mixed in with the black. I'm also going to mix in a little bit of this loose powdered Profusion highlighter, and it is just like a coppery shade. I think that'd be really beautiful to have those red flakes in the highlighter. And also, I'm going to mix in some of this. This is the Artist Couture, and this is in shade Illuminati, and it is gold. So I thought that would be beautiful to have the gold flakes in it also. Now, the only reason I've got these out, this is what I'm going to use to be scraping out like the excess eyeshadow that comes out of this after I break it. I'm going to use the end of this to break that eyeshadow and get it in here. So let's get started. I added in a little bit of that because it is more on the copper side, and I did want those red flakes in there. And then I took my Artist Couture highlighter, and I think that's in shade Illuminati. I wanted those gold flakes in there. The thing that was already in the can was a little highlighter that was broken out of an LA Colors holiday palette for last year. And knowing me, you know, I always love to keep my stuff. I hate wasting anything. So it was like this frosty white highlighter, and it was already broken down. So I used that, and I used it in the tin that it was in. It was just in this little Nivea can. Now, guys, this is the highlighter that we made, and it looks so silvery and black, and there's just so many colors going on here, but that's what I wanted. So now I'm about to make a fool out of myself and put it on. First of all, guys, did y'all see Raw Beauty Christie's tweet? She said that she had something exciting coming out in 2019. I wonder if she's coming out with her own makeup line or a brand deal or something. I'm just so excited. I know I'm off subject, but I'm really, really excited about that. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a fool out of myself. All right, guys, so I got my little tin. I'm going to kind of pull my hair back, and I'm going to be using a fan brush that I don't never use. It's an Eco Tools brush. I love this brush. It's just, I'm kind of out of the fan brush stage, if you know what I mean, for highlighters. Now, I have not used any highlighter. I do have a full face of makeup on, but I have not used any highlighters whatsoever. So I'm going to put this highlighter where I would normally put any one of my other highlighters. So we are just going to kind of dip in And you know what? There are so many trends and stuff like this that comes out. I mean, I'm goofball. I'm really a goofball. But here we go. So, guys, that's not really coming out that bad. I thought it would be worse. I could see the darkness. Okay, we're really going to go in this time. And like I said, I'm not going to waste this stuff, so it's not going to be thrown away. I could use it as a shadow. I could use it for a highlighter for a Halloween look. I mean, they could be awesome. I mean, I know it's not the everyday worn highlighter, but you never know. You know what? This could look really good on some darker skin tones. Oh my God, that's, yeah, it's dark. I mean, I wouldn't wear it out. Let's do the Cupid's bow. And I'm really going in. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Okay. And I usually do my chin. And right there. Okay, guys, so it's way dark. It's not as dark, I don't think, as like the Jeffree Star and the Wet n Wild one that come out. It is very dark. And like I said, I wouldn't normally wear this out, so we're just having fun with makeup. And I like to do DIYs. I like to make new makeup, especially if I can't afford something. I try to dupe it or I try to DIY it. Let's look. Now, I've got some swatches on some photos, but I'll show you a live swatch of it also. Like I said, it's got kind of like, it just kind of looks gray to me, and maybe that's because I have maybe too much of the white. Maybe. I'm not sure. But it is kind of cool. And you know what? You need to try new things. It's just makeup. It comes off. I mean, it is worth playing with. And like, it is one of my biggest passions. Like, makeup is one of the biggest passions that I have. So I thought this was really fun to do, guys. And I think that Jeffree Star one, I think that is like really, really pigmented. I'm just eager. I'm so eager to try out that Wet n Wild one that they got coming out. And like I said, I mean, this would be really cool for some Halloween looks, for eyeshadow year round, whatever. Smoky eye, that would be perfect. But mine kind of looks like a really dark gray. And you can see the red shifts. You could definitely see the frosty white. So, I mean, you know, I didn't do too bad for a loose powdered highlighter. And of course it's too dark on my face right now, but like, imagine if you were a witch for Halloween, right? Okay, in your face, you go and paint your face green, and she's got black highlighter on. Now, how awesome would that look? I think that would look so amazing. Don't forget to be watching for my tutorials. They are coming, I promise. I just got to get them uploaded and out. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed watching me make a damn fool of myself, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you next video. Bye, guys. Hey, everybody. Nope, nope. Or it would be like it is supposed to be. So, I decided to make my own. I made it quite pigmented. Hey, Riff. I'm about to make a fool out of myself, and that really gives me some ideas. So here we go, guys.